Okay, I had to stop because I had a phone call. Very unimportant sales call. Anyway, so where was it? Okay, so they have these Hot Wheels cars for $1.49, and that gives me, approximately 51 cents. So one of the things I found one time, they had a big basket out. Now, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, back in the day when it first started, they had a hand sanitizer that went up to the price of like $10 or $11. It's like $10.99 or $10.95 or something like that. Well, now they've got the same thing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Back during COVID-19, this was like $10. And now it's like 29 cents. So it went from $11 a bottle during COVID to now it's 29 cents. So Hot Wheels and some hand sanitizer under $2. So, basically $1.50 plus an additional 30 cents, which is $1.80. And so I should be getting some 20 cents back, but they don't do that, of course. I'm afraid that probably pays taxes anyway. So anyway, $2, under $2. So, and this stuff, this will last a long time. So, at least the way I use it. So, I thought since I'm here, I will show you an unboxing. And some people say, well, it'll be worth more if you save it. It's in the box. But the truth is, what I do is I've been putting it in a tub in there with several others. So I'm going to unbox it. Someday I may regret, or somebody I give these to may regret, why did you leave it in the box? Anyway. And this says 21 Winter 21. Probably won't be able to see it. Probably won't be able to focus on that. I don't know if it will or not. Anyway, that's what it says. It says 21 Winter 21. It's got a... When I bought it, it looked like the top was... There wasn't anything there, but there is actually something on the top there. It looked, when it was in the box, it looked like this was like... There was like stuff around the side. But the top, there was nothing on the top. But in fact, there is something on the top. That's a neat looking little car, and like I said, for $1.40, $1.49, which I, in essence, didn't pay anything for. Well, for the most part. I guess it's all how you look at it. Mom paid $5. Mom pays $5 a month to get extra coupons and stuff. But anyway, for the most part, it's free. Or very cheap, depending on how you want to look at it. Okay, so there's that. There's that. And then there's the box which I want to throw away, which, like I said, someday somebody might say, well, why did you throw away the box? It's worth more with the box. I don't know if that's true or not, but only time will tell. It probably is. Now, again, one of the things that happened when I bought this, as I said earlier, it spits out another coupon, a real long coupon. And I think I've still got it here. Do I still have it here? Yep. Actually, this is the third coupon. But anyway, it's the same thing. It's a real long thing with, $5 off this and $3 off that, and 40% off that, and $3 off, and 30%. Anyway, it's a whole bunch of them. But this is actually the third one. But again, I went back and was able to get this one. Which not really it's probably my least favorite car of the Hot Wheels I've got. But still, for $1.49, which basically is free. For the most part, but again, depending on how you look at it, not a bad deal. So I will unbox that. This one's called Muscle Mania. So, again, not my favorite. It says Black Widow Exhaust. It's real hard. You probably can't see it. It probably won't focus on that. Oh, there you go. Maybe. Well, maybe. I did it for a minute. Anyway, there you go. And of course, another bottle of hand sanitizer. So I've got 2 bottles of hand sanitizer, 2 bags, and 2 cars for basically nothing, other than the fact I had to take the time to go down to CVS and get it. But these doors open? No, the doors don't open. Okay. Well, anyway. Car, and sanitizer from CVS in Edinburgh, Indiana, which is the closest one to where I live. So there you go. So until next time, I'm RandallMatthewRueff saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.